Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Messenger notification delay on iPhone. This happens when Messenger notifications are not activated or when your phone's notification settings are turned off or restricted. And here are the effective steps to fix Messenger notification delay on your iPhone. First, restart your iPhone. It clears temporary system glitches. Check your internet connection. Use a stable or Wi Fi or mobile data. Turn off low power mode via settings, battery, low power mode, and turn it off. Disable focus or do not disturb via settings again, focus, turn off all active modes. Check Messenger notification settings via settings again, notifications, Messenger, and allow notifications. Enable all alert types. Turn on lock screen, notification center, and banners. Set notifications to immediate delivery. Turn off scheduled summary via settings again, notifications, scheduled summary, and turn it off. Allow background app refresh via settings again, general, background app refresh, on, and choose Wi-Fi or cellular. Allow Messenger background activity via settings again, settings, apps, Messenger, background app refresh, and turn it on. Turn off low data mode via settings again, Wi-Fi, tap the eye icon, low data mode, and turn it off. Do the same for cellular data. Update Messenger app via App Store, search for Messenger, and update the Messenger app. Reinstall Messenger. Delete the app, restart the iPhone, and reinstall from the App Store. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.